pala. Done tuloy. I already contacted the person who will gonna do the owning, the glass owning right there. And so it's raining so hard for today's video with lightning in Tondo. And right here, the big commercial space. That's the tiles I bought, I think yesterday. And this one is done already. And last time you went here is this tiles they put the tiles that day. So but now it's an nice. Okay na to step in. And Jeric now is making sure that the lock for this roll up is welding right there. Almost done. They're just gonna put the grout, and then the lights, and then lights, and then cover the main breaker. Then put the door and some of the toilet bowl and the sink. So inside the house for today, before the day end, ano daw? Ayan, Jo is right there in the middle of oh my god, the lighting! Shit, it does, it's raining. So they put some of the 3 posts right there, as you can see. This one. They already put some cement and then transfer all the debris into that deck. So yeah, there. And then today delivery of hollow blocks. And it's so raining so hard.